really bad time of my life. My kid, he was trying to commit suicide. My name is Daniel Ledesma. I go by Dan. I born in Argentina. I'm a retired military. I was 24 years in the Navy, and now I'm a civilian working for the government. I like to run. I run long distance and go to the gym, and plus dance salsa. I started salsa when I was going through a really bad time of my life. A kid, he was trying to commit suicide. I never thought that that's going to happen to me. Right now, he's in a good place forward in life. It was something that brought me to the studio. I was super scared at the beginning, because I'm kind of shy person, but super hooked up with coming to the studio. It's a real part of my life. I never thought that it's gonna be dancing is gonna be so challenged. It has so many details, but I found in each of the teachers at the studio, and I take something different from each one of them. I can tell you that, in my opinion, you guys have a team of awesome people, very professional, that they know what they're doing. They really know what they're doing. They know how to transmit and influence on you. One is not to be ridiculous. So I was kind of, I was feeling kind of awkward at the beginning, but I was looking around me that the teachers actually, they make you inclusive on the on the lessons. They don't care about if you're doing something wrong or not. They explain you how to perform. Everybody is just one. Everybody has to fight with their own demon. But one more time, I'm glad for the teachers that we have in front of us. They help us to overcome all those fears.